to the channel. It's been a while. So this is the first outing with the Corrado since I've put the WaveTrac in and I reconfigured my catch can system. About 5 minutes away from my house, I pulled over. I was hearing like a whistling sound. I don't remember from last year, so I just checked that out. Can't find any leaks or anything, so yeah. So first time driving it, first time going in the canyon. Gonna take it really easy. I just want to like feel it out. I also put like 5 mil spacias in the front. I had like 2 just to clear the brakes, but now I got 5. Pushes the tires out a little more. I had a little bit more gap that I wanted to in the front, so I need to see if that's going to be catching, because I don't think I have the fenders rolled. I need to get that done. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking it really easy, listening for weird sounds, you know. First time out, but yeah, it's, I'm so happy. Summer's finally here. Ready to start driving some of my cars, riding my bikes. Pumped. A little nervous. Little nervous. Man, this car feels weird. Woo. Oh my gosh. This car is so light. I'm not used to the brakes. I'm used to the Audi brakes where, you know, you have ABS, you can just come in hot, slam on the brakes, and they'll just, you know, ABS will do its thing. Where this, you got to be really careful. I mean, what, it's been like, what, 7 months since I've driven this car? So here's the first bump. Oh yeah, we got some rubbage on that fender up there, I just heard. Diff, that WaveTrac working when I step on, it's like, I don't feel it spinning in fourth, but I can feel it pulling from both sides instead of just one. Dude, that person was going like 30. What in the world, man? Trying to tell myself to take it easy since it's been so long. It's hard though. It is hard. Man, these brakes are weird. here coming up is where I'm down in the second. It's one of the corners that is pretty tight, where always spinning. Car's a handful now. Holy crap! Now that it's getting traction and you can stay in it, oh my goodness. I already caught up to somebody. I am so rusty driving this car. This car is a beast! Oh my gosh. That is wild, man. I'm just not used to it, or that WaveTrac is hooking up the tire where I'm not used to it. Oh man, that was wild. Oh my god. So good. Oh man. I also took out the Diesel Geek. You know, I'm not looking for a shorter shift. I'm looking for a faster shift. Like, I want to be able to shift faster. And the Diesel Geek feels awesome, but it does not like to go into gear. And I know, oh, you don't have it adjusted right. Dude, I adjusted that thing so many times, so many different ways. And then one gear would be better and the other one wouldn't. One gear would be better, the other one wouldn't. So I took the Diesel Geek off, and I think I like it more. Like, obviously, I'm driving my Mark 4 around daily. Dude, when I'm driving that thing, it shifts. I can shift it so much faster, I felt like, than the Corrado and my Mark 2, which I already took it off of the red VR6 Mark 2. So today's the first day without the Diesel Geek, and obviously I'm not pushing it. I'm not really shifting. I'm not carrying all the way through the can because I'm testing things, but just shifting like that, like just a third like that, I think that's faster. It just feels, I can put it in there faster, let out the clutch instead of like, is it gonna grind, you know? So everything feels so weird in this car. drive with its all-wheel drive and the ABS, this is way harder. And I think I'm going faster. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. So I have the green stuff, EDC brake pads on this. I have the yellow on the Audi, and I think I like those better. Even with not pressing, just, you know, jacking on the brakes with this, I can tell they don't have as much bite as the yellow. But then if they have more bite and they lock up, obviously that would be really bad. So, wow. I need to get used to this car again since I haven't been driving it. Oh man, this thing's wild. Just so different than any other. You know what it feels like now when it's pulling? It feels like the Mark V now, because that has a WaveTrac limited slip in it too. Second might be a little much right here. I'm usually in third. Really wanted to. Jeez, man. Oh my gosh! Holy crap! Dude, there's no way. I gotta see if the speedo's right. There's no way I was going that fast right there. Woo! It's warm. Oh my gosh, dude! Lightweight, nimble cars are amazing. Like, that Audi is so nice to drive. I need to get a big turbo on that Audi to see what it feels like, but you know, but that's what you have to do. You have to spend so much more money to get the engine to the horsepower where that feels exhilarating to drive, or you're actually kind of pushing it. Because right now it's like, it's got a KO4. I haven't done suspension yet, but you know, feeling like you're pushing it in that thing, it's still so easy to drive. So this thing feels wild, man. Can you guys hear that sucking sound or that whistling sound? That was not there. Like, the car's in neutral. I wonder if it's air. Oh. Day out. I'm stoked to finally get to drive this. Very different than any other car I own. Really gonna have to take it easy and just keep practicing with it, or keep driving and practicing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Going on my birthday trip weekend here pretty soon. I think I'm gonna be it's gonna be pretty fun. So that's it for today. Hope you guys have epic summer trips in mind. I'll see you guys next video.